What's up, y'all? All right, we back with another one. Yes, I finally got the stripes on here, and I can't believe it actually came out pretty darn good. Yeah, as you can see, I did wrap the gas cap black. I did the stripes all the way front and back across the roof. Got it on the back here, as you can see. Let me give y'all a good look. This stuff, I mean, for the first time, I think I did pretty good, but man, it was pretty rough. It was pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, overall, man, everything came out pretty good. I don't know if you can see it or not. The humidity is so bad out here, but here's the stripes across the top. As you can see, I used the knifeless tape across the top. Man, I had plans to use the knifeless tape in the beginning, but man, when I say that was a disaster starting off, I'm not gonna lie. I wasted at least about 3 feet of the wrap. I did get a 15-foot wrap, and I wasted about 3 feet of it. So kind of glad I did get that. I still got a little bit left over, which is good. Everything actually worked out pretty good. I wonder how this gonna look. Let me back out, get a little better view so y'all can see. I got some imperfection. I got some scratches on my car. I got a buff out now, but hey, that's part of the process because I had to use a knife on the front. As you can see, I tried my best with the knife and stuff like that. That's just the humidity and everything, but overall, man, even coming all the way down to the bottom, everything looks good. I can't complain at all. Can't complain. But yeah, so I'm gonna see how this hold up in the weather. I got some spots that still kind of popping up a little bit. So if y'all know any way to keep that down or keep it together, that's why I didn't go all the way back right here. As you can see, I left this spot right here open because it's so much humidity here, and it's bad, man. But yeah, overall, that's what everything looking like. And shoot, y'all let me know what you think, man. Oh, I ain't give y'all up close on the back. As you can see, I left the 2 sensors out at the back. That's pretty important, but that's the back. Like I said, my lines are not straight, but it lines up pretty well. Like, I did a pretty good job to me. First time doing this. I did have to add some pieces on the side right here. As you can see right here, I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but like some pieces I had to add onto it. But yeah, man, overall, I actually like I love the way it came out. So the next thing to do is actually gonna be the headlights. I'm gonna be darkening those up, and then I think I will be done with the outside of this car. I'll be completely done with the outside of this car.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
The body kit, I ain't trying to get none of that right now. That's extra money, so we're gonna save up for that another time. But yeah, overall, man, y'all just let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.